coming to you from a different direction today in my kitchen. So today we're gonna make a flourless chocolate cake. Okay. So for that we are going to need a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips here, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. I'm using cane sugar because I'm baking this cake for my friend's birthday and she's health conscious, so I know she likes cane sugar, so I'm using cane sugar. And we have 1/2 cup of cocoa, 1/2 cup of butter, 3 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And I cheated, I added the vanilla already to the eggs. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I added 2 teaspoons of good old Jamaican coffee, Mountain Peak. So, first things first, we're going to cook the butter and the chocolate chips together to melt the chocolate chips and the butter, mix it together, and then add it to the dry ingredients. So I'm just gonna move us over to the stove. Hold please. Be right back. So as you can see, I could have done this in the microwave, but I chose to do it on the stove. So in the pot I have we're melting, almost there. I can probably turn off the heat. I use the residual heat on the burner to melt the rest of it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold I'm filming using my Surface Pro camera today. So I'm holding it with one hand in the carrier and I'm stirring with the other, so please forgive me if there's a lot of shaking. My nerves are bad. So we have some meltrification going on and we're almost there. So we can consider that done. And then we're gonna go over to the mixing bowl, add this to the mixing bowl and add the rest of the ingredients, and voila, we're done. Chocolate in there. So I'm gonna add the sugar slowly. I don't want to be covered in sugar. Okay. The salt. The Blue Mountain coffee powder. And the cocoa. Cocoa has a tendency to fly all over the place, so let me add this very slowly because I'm already enough chocolate. Oh. And again, I'm trying to do this with filming with one hand and mixing with the other. Please forgive me. Alright. Everything is pretty mixed in. Now I just gotta add the eggs in one at a time. Oops. So that's 1 egg, mix it thoroughly. Make sure it's completely combined before I add the second one. Okay. Mix that thoroughly. And I think we can add the last one. Okay, so everything is in, so I'll turn it up a bit. So there you have it. It's nice, shiny, chocolatey batter. Getting ready to go in. 25 minutes later, it should be done. All right. Here are my chocolate chips. So then I'll add it to this once it's hot. Love it. It's I use dark chocolate, and dark chocolate has less milk solids than semi-sweet chocolate chips, which is what the recipe calls for. So I added a little butter so it gets a little bit cocoa. We have the cake here. It's done. ganache here. So I have spread this the ganache over the cake using an offset spatula, and I think that's good. So I just got, okay, so here we go. I still wrote on it wet, but there I added some more pizzazz.